dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate, going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump fake, hesitate. I've been scoring every day.
What is going on, guys? It is Wilson from Function Powersports. Today we're gonna do something we used to do a lot of, and that is a little bit of a spotlight slash build update on the 2022 RZR XP1000 that we have in house. This is Chris, our videographer's RZR. So he's kind of been the dream and the build ideas behind the whole build, kind of what he wants out of his machine, essentially the ultimate trail rig. What do you need to really have that perfect machine for whatever trail that you're gonna be riding, because Chris does majority trail ride. So we're gonna run through what the build is as of today. We're gonna talk about maybe some ideas that he has for the future. All right, so starting at the front, we have the custom function grill that Chris had made. It's powder coated in a silver finish. It is steel, but it's obviously got that nice silver powder coat on it. Gives it that extra little pop in the front, shows off function a little bit. You know, you gotta rep it. Moving around, we've got the rough country windshield in the front. He's got the full windshield. It is the poly one. One of the biggest things on the trail when people are throwing rock stuff, you gotta have a windshield. It's just, I mean, bare minimum, you gotta have one. Moving around, he added a rough country roof to that. So he does have the roof. It's got the nice rough country logo branding in the back. The wheel and tire setup, right? So this is where we've been putting a lot of focus on. You guys have probably seen this thing a ton because of the wheel and tire package that it is on. It is on a 15x7 Anthem Rogue in a simulated beadlock, satin black finish, and a 4+3 offset. It's got Gladiator ATR 32x10x15 tires. So far, everything that Chris has been driving this, we've been driving it. We love this setup. It's an awesome setup. The only thing that Chris might want to do in the future is maybe go to 35s, right? Bigger tire, bigger's always better. We know that. One of the most recent additions that Chris actually had done for this is the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 sound system that he had installed here. So he's got the CAN tower speakers in the back, he's got the 2 footwell speakers, and he has the Rockford Fosgate head unit. Seamless integration. I mean, this thing was literally like a bolt-on, plug-and-play type of thing. So really simple there, really awesome. The only upgrades he might do for that, add a subwoofer, maybe an amplifier to the system, make it a five-speaker system to really bring out that bass and stuff when you're on the trails. But so far, really loving that sound system and how it operates. You guys saw our big video about XK Glow when we did a full lighting install. So to kind of recap what that was, he has the 8-piece RGB rock light kit in here with a 4-piece bright white LED kit. So they have a pure white LED kit and they have the RGB kit. We have both kits on here. The RGBs are in the wheel wells. They're also behind the vent covers to kind of give a lot of that tone. I think he's got one up in the grill as well. So kind of giving it color all across the machine, fully controlled by an app. So really awesome, really smooth, really simple. And then in addition to the rock lights, we have the whip lights. So these are the 24-inch whips, I believe. RGB color, controlled by the same controller, quick disconnects. I mean, these things are freaking sweet. You literally just pop them off. You can pop them right back on. So really dope, really love the XK Glow stuff that they've got. So super happy about those, super excited with it. So he's got the rough country whip mounts on these. We had some other generic mounts, they weren't really holding very well. So he upgraded to the rough country whip mounts. Seems to be a lot more sturdy when it comes to it. So super solid there. And then at the same time, he got the rough country hitch added whenever we did the suspension setup, which I'm about to tell you all about, because that is probably one of the biggest upgrades that he's done to it so far. So high lifter, makes a lot of stuff. Obviously, if you guys are in the UTV, ATV world, you know who High Lifter is. They're one of the biggest names when it comes to suspension in power sports. So what we've got here is the High Lifter 3 to 5 inch Signature Series lift kit. I think we've got it at about 3 inches right now, maybe 3.5, something like that. Didn't want to get too tall, right? Because you're in and out on the trails all the time, but a 3 inch kind of gives you that extra clearance that you're looking for. In addition to that, we did the rear trailing arms. So he's got a little bit extra clearance when approaching rocks, when going over obstacles, anything like that. He's got a little bit more swing there to get over them and not drag and scrape the trailing arms. And then on the front, he's got the forward A-arms from High Lifter as well, the upper and lower, again, giving you that extra clearance to clear those obstacles when you're on the trail. Because, you know, if you're out on the trail and you're going fast, you smash a rock or a log or something that's right there in the middle of the trail, you want to have that clearance there so you're not bending an A-arm or something when you're out riding, because that can put a damper on your day really fast. So that's gonna pretty much sum up how his build is currently. So the next steps are obviously just kind of making it that super unique to his taste. So super awesome with where it's sitting at today. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you guys think of the machine, of the mods that he's done, that we've done to it. Let us know what you guys might have done different, or what you're looking to and planning on doing to your machine. Make sure, if you guys are looking for any of these upgrades, hit up functionpowersports.com. We've got you covered: wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, all the above. You can get them there from us. Make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. See you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Yo, go dummy, go beast.